guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Teacher Seti again. Thank you so much for always patronizing my channel, always watching all of my YouTube videos. For this year, guys, I have really been blessed, teachers, because there was like an enormous increase in the number of subscribers that I have. Thank you so much, teachers, from the bottom of my heart. For this year, 2019, I have been really blessed, and for that's why I'm still making this video, because I really wanted to help teachers around the world and taking time to do my research. It's almost like 2 days before the year ends, and I have a lot of errands too, and I have a job as well, but I'm still choosing to take time and sharing you this vlog that I have for today, guys. For today, guys, I would like to share how to maximize your earnings at Amazing Talker. That's correct, guys. This video, I have really done my research, and I've checked on all of the teachers with Amazing Talker, and this is what they said. And also, my source for this video is the Amazing Talkers website. All right. So, disclaimer again: I am not promoting any company. I am here to help teachers around the world, especially Filipino teachers, to get a higher paying salary. All right. Yeah, don't click on the skip button, guys, if you want to know how to maximize your earnings at Amazing Talker. All right, just finish this video until the end. This video is really very short, guys. All right, so to start with is your profile. For your profile, teachers, you need first and foremost, you need to have a good profile. Many teachers will ask, how are the bookings? How can I have a lot of students? Yes, for Amazing Talker, you really need to advertise or advertise your profile to many students. It also depends how good you are when it comes to teaching English online. Your the number of years you had as a professional English as a second language teacher online or offline, and your especially your introduction video. All right, introduction video is really a must, guys. For introduction video, you need to have your video at least 2 to 3 minutes long, and then like clear background, no clutter. And what else? So in your introduction video, you need to tell them your expertise, what you're good at, what lessons you can offer the student. What else? Your own professional background as a teacher, what students you have taught before, and how many years you have been teaching as an English teacher. What else? For introduction video, I think it would really be helpful, guys, if there are Chinese subtitles, because for they say for Amazing Talker, students are coming from most of the students are from Taiwan, Hong Kong, and only a little percentage, I guess, in China. So they speak Chinese, the Chinese language. So it's much easier for them, I guess, to have subtitles on your Chinese subtitles on your video, or also you can also have English subtitle on your video. For your profile picture, guys, for the profile picture, you need to have a very clear profile picture, which is a very professional looking profile picture. I think that would help you guys to have more students interested booking your class. All right, and then for your profile, you can as per Amazing Talker, you can share your profile on Facebook, Instagram, or to a community or a Facebook group with a lot of students. All right? Okay, and then what else? Price. Your price should be competitive, reasonable, not too high, not too low. Yeah, especially I know it's really tough, guys. Most especially with native speakers, they would say that you know our rate, if we lower it down, it would be too low. I mean, it would not suffice our living. Okay, I know it's too low, guys, but just to think of it, not too high. All right, not too high, like for maybe $50 for 1 hour class. I think $50 for 1 hour class is too much, right? All right, okay, and then what else? For your schedule, your schedule should be at least like 20 hours, guys. You need to open as much as possible, because most students, they would like to choose a teacher who would open more classes. All right, okay, and then for the response rate, whenever there is a match, or there is a student that is interested learning or booking your class, you need to respond to them as quickly as possible. But don't worry, guys. There is like a matching system with Amazing Talker, and it's the line application. Using the line application, whenever you have a match, then you can respond. Now, in case you are sleeping, then I think they have like an automatic reply system. It's like a chat bot, they say. So you can program, turn on your chat bot. That's chat bot. I will type it here. That's chat bot. Okay. All right. So for the chat bot, you can program your chat box. It's auto reply system that they have. So you can just type the message that you want to type whenever there is a match between a student and your that is interested booking your profile. All right, guys. And what else? I have checked on the teachers here at Amazing Talker, and as you can see, guys, there are a lot of teachers, but all of them have bookings. Yes, all of them. All right. So number one, I guess here is, I don't know what country is she, but second to the list is of English teachers is from the Philippines, guys. And I will open his profile just so you can see. Okay, please wait. So as you can see, guys, his profile is a very nice profile. I guess this is one of the role model profile. They He turned on, I guess, his instant tutoring. So anytime a student would like to book a class, they may do so, or he or she may do so. And then he really specified his qualification and experience, specialization, professionals, or the students that he has taught with before, lessons for children. All right, his lesson plan. He has a really detailed profile, and then his guarantee as a teacher, all of that stuff. And his introduction video, I think, is very good. I've checked on it, and also his additional video. So if you can, guys, as much as you can, please include additional video like this one. It will help you boost your profile. Definitely, guys, because all right, students will really want to book your class if you have an additional video if you can. And also, if you have an in-class video, Amazing Talker said that if you have an in-class video as well, much better to boost the popularity of your profile. And one thing that teachers would like, because they like teaching at Amazing Talker, it is because Amazing Talker has no contract. So you can teach at the same time with other companies, guys. All right. So I hope guys that you have learned a lot from this video. I will also show you, this is a non-native speaker, but there are also, I will show you a profile of a native speaker. Yes, she is from the United States, one of the popular teachers, I guess, that we have here. All right, I'll just open. All right, so as you can see, guys, she has opened a lot of schedule, and her profile is very nice, detailed too. Okay, her rate for packages is one lesson is at least $22 for a 50-minute class. Her trial lessons are $16.50 for trial lessons. So I think this rate, guys, is not too high, not too low for a native speaker. All right. Okay. For the native non-native speaker, I forgot to check on that guy, but I think he has a very nice rate as well. It's a nice rate for a non-native speaker, I guess, because for a non-native speaker, most especially for a Filipino like me, this is already very high. So his trial lesson is, I can't read this. Oh, $6.60, and then his 50-minute class is $17.60. For a Filipino teacher, I guess this is very high. And okay, so I hope that you have learned a lot about this video, maximizing your earnings with Amazing Talker. Thank you so much, guys, for always patronizing my channel. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button down below and the notification bell, so anytime that I upload a new video, you will be notified. Thank you so much, guys. Maybe I will make another video tomorrow before the year ends. Thank you so much and have a great day, guys. Goodbye.